Hey, Miss Courtney, Stefan down at Victory Nissan. I wanted to show you that 2019 Special Edition Sentra that you inquired about. It's in great condition. It's got the alloy wheels on it. It's got the forward collision detection system on the front. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. 18,394 miles currently. It's got the push button start, eco mode, make sure you're optimizing your fuel economy. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. Got your dual control climate, so you're never arguing with your passenger over who's hot and who's cold. Backup cameras installed on it as well, with the predictive lines to let you know exactly where you'll be turning. Comes with the owner's manual as well. The interior is in great condition. You got a pretty little sunroof in here too. Vehicle also has the blind spot safety system. Let you know if there's anything on the blind spot of the vehicle. You can control and cycle through all your screens here with your average fuel economy, trip, all your driving assist. Plenty of trunk space in case you need to store some bodies in there too. My name is Stefan with Victory Nissan, and I'll be here Saturday when you're ready, ma'am.